Hello, hi to one and all. The topic now is expository writing. If you read the word expository, you may see the word which is quite familiar to you. The word is expose. You may have come across the word while reading a book or article. The word expose means reveal or uncover. Here this essay will reveal the facts and give information. Now, let us know how to write expository essay. Expository essay, as its name suggests or means, that it is a writing that exposes facts. In other words, it's writing that explains and educates its reader rather than entertaining or attempting to persuade them. When you read a document written by experts, scholarly articles, a textbook page, a news report, or an instructional guide, you are reading expository writing. This essay doesn't have much room for creativity as they are based on facts and figures, statistics, examples, etc. that the writer has acquired through extensive study and research. An expository essay introduction should clarify the topic and briefly lay out its elements. The first paragraph is to contain a well-defined thesis statement. Thesis statement is a central point, a main idea or main purpose of writing the essay related to the topic, which the reader gets information. These types of essay expound or they present and explain or interpret a theory or idea or doctrine in detail, like evolution, nature cure, karma, rebirth are a literary topic. Essay is used as a way to look into problem and therefore compare it and explore it. What is the format or structure for writing this essay? As usual, the typical type is 5 paragraphs. The first one is introduction. An introduction, give the main point or thesis statement. Let the introductory paragraph be short. Start with a hook sentence that will intrigue the reader and grab his attention to read. Now the second paragraph, third and fourth is the body. In body 1, give evidence and support that point given in introduction. Explain the main purpose of writing this topic logically and with facts. Body 2, explanation in detail the statement given. Perhaps an example should be given here. Support the main idea or points. Body 3, here you have to write maybe a quotation or a statistic. Support the main idea. Each paragraph should present and explain a separate but relevant point to the main idea. Conclusion. Here, reconsider, look at the points and relate topics to the thesis and write the conclusion. Tips or guidelines. The first one, it is a type of essay that is used to inform, explain and describe the concept to the readers. It gives information. Second one, keep in mind that they have to be based on reliable information and strictly sticking with the facts. Remember to gather information or facts. Third one, the tone should be formal. Don't use slang language. Fourth one, avoid using I statement like I think. Fifth one, it is an organized essay using a main idea, supporting details and a conclusion. Sixth one, the passages are used to teach and explain information in an objective way. So use them to inform, compare and contrast or show cause and effect. The next one, the main goal while writing an expository essay is to research an idea or concept. You have to focus on presenting the issue without stating your personal opinion. To do this, authors usually write a third-person point of view, avoiding the pronouns such as I or you. So, give some background information for readers to understand the topic better. The last one, conclude with a thesis statement. The essay usually follows a chronological structure to help readers follow along with the ideas present. Now, different types of expository writing. They are descriptive, essay, compare and contrast, definition, classification, problem and solution, and process. Explanation of different types of expository writing with examples. Now, let me conclude by giving few points after writing the essay. First one, sum up the major points again before writing the final essay. The conclusion answers the questions you have brought out in the reader through the introduction while calling back the arguments you have laid out. Third one, the conclusion should be a construction made of the past few paragraphs. Fourth one, don't repeat the words you have already said. Use different vocabulary. You need to do a straightforward thesis that delivers an impact upon the readers. It should not present any new information or evidence but should instead focus on reinforcing the points made so far. Final copy. The essay should be presented with no mistakes. Cut down if you need to if the essay is lengthy. Recheck all the facts and statistics you mentioned. Now write an essay on what is life on farm. Gather the facts. Write the lifestyle of a farmer, which is busy and hectic one. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. This is Padma. See you again.